and this screw made from a plastic water bottle. This kind of waste plastic water bottle here we can see. So how did I make this? Today's video I'm gonna explain about this, how did I made this and how it actually works. So today I'm going to explain detailed about this process. So let's get started. So hey guys, welcome to my video on 3D printing. So this is my I have a Cobra 2 Neo 3D printer, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm making a first YouTube video. Actually this is my first video on 3D printing, and today I am going to share with you something is very special. In my hand, something a screw in my hand, and this screw made from a plastic water bottle. This kind of waste plastic water bottle here we can see. So how did I make this? Today's video I'm gonna explain about this, how did I made this and how it actually works. So today I'm going to explain detailed about this process. So let's get started. So guys, if you are new here, then please subscribe the channel, and I'm going to update daily update. I'm going to share the all updates about my 3D printing. And people think plastic is a waste, but I don't think so. Plastic is not waste for me. So let's get started how it actually works. Let me show you. So guys, this is my PET fusion machine. Here you can see this thing made plastic water bottle into filament, and this is the bottle strip cutter. So let me show you how it's work. And first of all, you have to wash water bottle and cut with width of 11 millimeter bottle strip. After that the strip goes through this hot nozzle, and this is gear system, high torque gear system to pull the filament through this nozzle. So let me show you how to do this. So guys, here you can see some bottle which is I collect from the roadside. And first of all, we have to wash the bottles perfectly. You can see some structure on the bottle, so you need to smooth them off. So you can use heat gun or your gas, cooking gas. Here you can see the bottle structure is gone. After that to remove the top and bottom of the after smoothing the bottle, you need to cut the bottom, and now you need to cut a small thin strip. Here you can see I cutting a thin strip. Here you can see I am cutting a thin strip. So now it's ready to put in the strip cutter this way, and the thin cutter is will go inside the cutter, and now it's gone. So make sure you hold this bottle with one hand. Guys, make sure you are holding the bottle with one hand and pull it with another hand. Here you can see, and pull it slowly, very slowly, gentle. Do not rush, don't rush. Here you can see very smooth, you can see. And so guys, don't rush. Here you can see all perfectly going, and now that's done. Here we can see, guys, my strip is done. Let's do another bottle. Let's start, and let's begin to making filament with this machine. in my hand. So made filament. Here you can see I made also many filaments. So let's print with this filament. So guys, finally I put the filament into my nozzle. Here you can see the coming out from the nozzle, heat nozzle, and I print this model. This is I designed this for my pet filament this for actually for my phone holder.